यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलूंगे जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो या बेगरज तेरा हो या कोई तो हो राज़दार.
Leslie Lewis, he is one half of the colonial cousins, along with Mr. Hariharan, who took India by storm in 1996. But let me also introduce him as the man behind those famous jingles, including Thumbs Up Taste Thunder, Santoor, uh, Fruity, Fresh and Juicy, and so many Amul Pio Glass Bulldogs. So a very warm welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
These jingles have created a lasting impression on everyone. We all have grown up listening to these jingles. So what really went in making those jingles? If you could just tell us कि कोई experience, कोई interesting चीज कैसे ये jingles बने?
Jingles, मतलब I've been doing jingles for like nearly 40 years now. 35 years maybe. Yeah. And I've been playing for jingles before that. So like 40 years of playing for jingles and also composing them. But the thing is, जैसे आपको याद रहता है, mango, fruity, fresh and juicy, you remember that, right? Those things. I think अगर melody अच्छा नहीं हो, strong नहीं हो, अच्छा बुरा is not the issue. Melody अगर strong हो तो दिल को लगता है.
Right.
नहीं तो कानों से सुन के निकल जाता है. It becomes like, flavor of the day and निकल जाता है. But why has it remained? Because at the end of the day, I think the kind of music जो मैं approach करता हूँ, I look at it as music first. और music को लेके हमें क्या करना है? We need to sell a product, or I need to make you feel good, or I want to get you on the dance floor. I want to do something with that music, but that music must first be genuine.
Right.
Sirf dance floor is not more important than the music. The customer is not more important than the music. For me, the music has to drive the product to the customer. So if you really look at my work, when I was a guitar, so I have lived 4 avatars in the music business already. And the 5th one is starting now. And that is called Global Hindi, which is the singer-performer part of me. So as a guitar player, I started with nothing and I got to the top of the space, but everybody called me for one reason, कि ये कुछ बजाता है बीच में अच्छा लगता है. Because I was mostly told, Leslie, play your thing now, whatever you do, just do that thing, whatever that thing was. Which means you please add your own, your own guitar licks in the middle and make it sound nice. So, matlab, you're adding something which is musical, which people are liking. So that guitar player took me to the top of the space. When I started doing jingles, it was the similar way, So today you remember a mango fruity or a do your glass fruit. You remember these tunes because for me it was always about creating music to sell a product for a certain clientele, for a certain audience. So the music must be strong. और उसीलिए you today remember all the jingles because the melodies of the jingles have been very important to me as opposed to can this jingle become a hit? Hit तो होना चाहिए लेकिन वो आपके साथ रहना चाहिए. So that's why in 2021 you're talking about mango fruity or whatever. And so the same way, so that was my second avatar as a jingle composer. Then I became a pop music producer. And then by the time I started coming out with songs, people started saying, "Oh, I love the song Pari hu main, Aayi main to aayi hu." Oh, I love the song Janam Samjha Karo Rajab, and Yaro Dosti or Pal or whatever the songs were, and they remain with you again today. Because for me, it was never about ये गाना hit होना चाहिए. I'm saying अगर young boy come from Delhi, he's got a fabulous voice, he's a great singer. How can I create a song that will make him the star?
Right.
And so you have a Yaro Dosti with KK singing it. or you have a Pal with KK.
Ever realized that this song would actually go on to become an anthem for Friends? You know, we still
It
have.
was never designed. It was never designed to become anything. It was designed to project a young boy called KK. कि इसका ये talent है, आप please इसको सुनिएगा. And here is a great. I mean, it's a good song right behind that, and it should reach your heart through KK's voice. And I think it did.
Yeah. But then itna sara, you know, there's so much of love that song has got, even Pal, like you said. So how is that?
There is so much of love gone into the making of that song.
Sure.
And it was, and obviously when you do the song, I want to present KK to who? Again, it's the same thing. Audience kaun hai? It's the public at large. They want to hear a good song. It's not about wow, ye hai, wo hai. I just like the song. बस खत्म मुझे अच्छा लगता है. A परी हूँ मैं today. I call it the national anthem of Gujarat. Without Pari हूँ मैं, there is no Dandiya. Yeah, but that is Falguni Pathak who took that song and presented it to the Gujarati audience. Now, as a singer-performer, I've started singing my own songs because for so many years, I have done no music for Leslie Lewis, the artist.
Yeah.
I've done music for everybody, including Colonial Cousins, which is a jodi.
Yeah.
Two of us, we have our own USP, but it's not Leslie Lewis per se, who you know, Heaven Haikon, quite a monster character who does all kinds of things. So if you just go back to, so this month, I'm celebrating 1 year of Global Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay, Global Hindi is my brand of जैसे आप बोलो 90s में क्या गाने थे, वाह वाह वाह, it was amazing, sir. 2021 में भी गाने हो सकते हैं ना, लेकिन आपको 2029 तक रुकना पड़ेगा to say wow 2021 में क्या गाने बनते हैं.
अच्छे गाने थे. Oh God, yeah.
You have to wait for 10 years to turn around and say wow what great songs. I'm saying it's already begun. Because the same guy who has created all these melodies all through the years is still creating now new songs in the genre called Global Hindi.
But people have
And a
sung
lot of
those songs even in 90s. जब गाने आए थे तभी भी तो लोगों को पसंद ही थे. You know,
तो
people
मेरा वही कहना है, but 90s में we had marketing on our side. We had a channel called MTV
Yeah.
and we had a channel called Channel V. They played non-film music.
Yeah.
So they supported the entire independent scene. And इसीलिए independent scene in the 90s became different from the 70s and 80s की था ही नहीं. वो 90s में जो MTV and Channel V ने आके नॉन बॉलीवुड पीपल को अपने ढंग में स्टार बना दिया टीवी पर. So you had Alisha Chennai made in Mundi, or you had a Sardar doing two uncles going Sarida Pamagaya, or grandmother going Janam Samjakar. And it was like, hey, what's this? This is not your typical Hollywood movie scene. I mean, look at all the girls that were crazy about Lucky Ali. Oh, he's so cute. I got a poster of him in my bedroom. It's okay, no? I mean, after Janam Samjakaro, Asha ji became like another phenomenon for another generation.
Exactly.
But because she's so talented, she knows that she's not finished. I mean, there's so much more to me, but you all are still making me sound like the Purana Asha Bhosle.
Yeah. Like.
हाँ, तो मुझे नई पीढ़ी के लिए I need to go ahead, and I do have that talent, but somebody's got to present me. So it turned out to be me, but she's got the talent, and then everybody grabbed it and said, "Wow, look at her singing Jan," and people loved it.
Yeah.
So that's her voice, her persona, her whatever. So she's appealing to another generation. Again, when I was mixing those songs, Rahul and I in London, and she was 61 at that time.
My God.
Which is don't say my God because I'm 61 now.
My God.
Okay. So from my perspective, everybody in London was saying, "Are you sure? This woman is 61 years old." I said, "Yeah," but she said, "But she sounds like really young." This was during Rahul and I. As soon as that album came out, suddenly you hear Asha Bhosle's voice going, "Yai re," and for some young Urmila Matondkar. I'm developing my own bunch of indie pop, what you might want to call the new age indie pop, and I'm featuring, like I featured an artist called KK, and like I'm featuring an artist called Leslie Lewis. I'm also featuring like a young artist called Kavya Jones. But because मैंने Leslie Lewis के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया इतने साल, 60 years have gone by, and I'm not focused on myself. I'm saying, look, I want to sing now, and I want to also do stuff, but I will also do stuff for Radhika when I'm back there. And I'll tell you one thing: I don't sound like anybody, and nobody sounds like me. Composing my own songs, writing my own lyrics, and singing them to you as a completely independent artist because I'm creating my own music, I'm creating my own songs, I'm writing my own lyrics, and I want to say something to you in Hindi. As an Indian, I love Western music. तो आप भी इंडियन हो, आपको क्यों नहीं वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक अच्छा लगता है भाई? मैं भी इंडियन हूँ, आप भी इंडियन, हाँ मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ, आप नहीं समझते, ठीक है। तो मैं एक गाना उस टाइप का, उस फ्लेवर का मैं आपको हिंदी में बना के आपके सामने पेश करूंगा, एंड आई टेल यू ये मेरा गाना है, मेरा स्टाइल है, बट इट्स इंस्पायर्ड बाय प्रोबेबली अ साइमन एंड गार्फंकल और अ जॉन डेनवर और अ जिमी हेंड्रिक्स, व्हाट ऑल द म्यूजिक दैट आई ग्रो अप विद। आपने जब हिंदी में नहीं सुना है उन आर्टिस्ट को, I'm bringing you Leslie Lewis.
Could you please sing Yaro for us?
Okay, since we are talking about it, can you see this guitar?
Yeah.
How much do you think this guitar is worth?
Now that
Wow.
you've asked me, I'm sure it's quite expensive.
So this guitar has been there from my school days.
What?
This guitar has traveled all over the world from London to New York to Malaysia with me. Has witnessed practically every album I've done.
Oh, so this is the lucky guitar of yours.
And every song that you hear, like a Pari Hu Main or Janam Samjha Karo or a Colonial Cousins, all composed on this guitar.
Wow.
So this is the mother of all the tunes.
Exactly. And that's no exaggeration.
And this is my old school guitar, which I've always had. I still love it, and I still hang on to it. And Yaro Dosti was composed on this guitar.
Wow.
So, Yaro Dosti badi हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलूंगे जिंदगी है, तुम तो दिलबर हो या बेगरज तेरा हो या कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो मोहब्बत की तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलूं ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो या कोई तो हो राज़दार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे हो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा हो दोस्त, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में, यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये न हो तो क्या फिर बोलूं ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो बेगरज तेरा हो या कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है।
Fabulous. Fabulous. Thank you so much for making my day. You came up with an album recently, and even now you have a release, during Navratri also, Dolare.
Dholare came out in October, 4th of October, just to celebrate 1 year of global Hindi. कि भाई हर महीना एक नया गाना आ रहा है. Okay, let's celebrate here Dholare. So that's why I put Dholare out there.
But it's said that, this is an era of shrinking album sales. And you had once said that, if you want to earn your bread butter from films, but, if you have that creative urge, go for album. So when people say that music can't pay your bills, how true is that?
Oh, it's seriously true.
Oh,
Very few people in the music business who are on the top, their bills get paid very well. The rest of them are struggling like crazy. And the worst thing is, ever since the streaming systems have started, there's no album sales anymore. Singles are based on percentages of what is played where, how much. So it's like a lot of the money the artist doesn't see, and it's the system that gets the money. But to get the database, if you notice, you don't even now you're getting music free.
yeah.
You just have to type the name on the internet and you get the song and you just play it.
That's
Why do you have to pay for it? But every song that we record, I mean, there's an average budget of 2 to 3 lakhs to record a song and mix it and master it and whatever. Then we want to shoot the song. There's at least 5 lakhs is an average. Today's, it used to be 10 and 12, but I'm saying in today's technology and all, you can still do it in 5, 6. And now you just have the product. You have the song and you have the video. That's about, let's just to keep numbers just for perspective, it's 10 lakhs. Now you have to market this. Because after spending 10 lakhs, nobody knows aapne gana banaya.
Promotion is very important.
So imagine how difficult it is for independent artists to be seen and heard. Because if you're not with a big top record label, who is also promoting you? Otherwise, there are many with the big record labels, but they're not being promoted. So they're signed up, but वो है मतलब वो अपने अलमारा में है, but वो सामने shelf पे नहीं है. There's a cream lot on the top that really does financially very well with their music, and the rest of the lot, which is I would say cool 80 to 90%, really struggle.
Now, because of technology and because of social media, we have a plethora of talented artists. Some are good with the Kishore Kumar songs, some are good with variety of songs. Does that make you insecure or does that intimidate you? I mean, yes, I'm asking this question to you, I know, but like considering the variety and the talent and the platform that people are now exposed to.
It's a double-edged thing. I think anybody who sounds like Kishore Kumar is going to have a hard time because they already have Kishore Kumar. In the old songs, they got the greats. If you have a voice like Kishore Kumar, then people are not happy to hear new songs in that Kishore Kumar नया गाना गाए तो कैसे लगे? अरे वो समय वो पुराने गाने अच्छे हैं.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So with those voices of Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, there is an era and time. If you ask any of those old artists to sing a new song, people might not accept it. And if you look at all the artists in the world, is the ones that don't sound like anybody are the ones that people are interested in. कि ये कुछ अलग है. So because of that, like I told you earlier, nobody sounds like me. And I don't sound like anybody. आपको एक बात बता रहा हूँ. I don't have any Colonial Cousins album. I don't have Janam Samjha Karo album. I don't have these albums with me. So if you tell me, can you play some Colonial Cousins songs? I'll have to go to Spotify or something and check. I don't have it. I am very carefully trying to keep my global Hindi songs together because I will lose it because I am thinking next क्या है? आगे क्या है?
It's with you.
No. That's done. आगे. Global Hindi is here. So now my reality now is global Hindi. That is history. Playing on the street, I think I learned what people actually love, what India loves.
क्या पसंद है इंडिया को?
India is loud. You can't say, and you have to repeat. So India का एक ही problem है कि आप sophisticatedly, Radhika, can we play this thing again? Hey Radhika, come on, yeah, play this thing. Yes, of course.
Oh, okay.
So we need that loud. India is about Dildar, as you might call it. full on.
See, Aam
And so
Janata is that, Tum To Thehre Pardesi, like that was a huge hit.
Altaf Raja was the highest selling. Made in India sold, I think, 20 lakhs or something. It was huge. Colonial Cousins sold some 18 lakhs. Altaf Raja sold 88 lakhs.
My goodness. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Nation Next YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from Nation Next. Also like Nation Next Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.